Today we're going to talk about how to prepare for a process library workshop as a participant. Now, I get asked this question a lot: what do I need to do to prepare for a process library workshop? The answer is actually relatively straightforward. Understand what it is that you do day to day, week to week, and month to month. Now, of course, this can be interpreted many different ways, so let's break it down a little bit. Firstly, just make a list of all the activities that you do on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. There might also be some once-a-year activities as well. These are important to capture as well because they happen so rarely that sometimes it is actually hard to remember how to do them when the time actually comes around to do them. Now, once you have your list of activities, try and sort them into common groupings or categories. Another sorting method that I find particularly effective is chronologically, i.e., if there is something that happens at the start of every week, or there's a set pathway followed for the end-to-end process, order them as such. For example, if we're talking recruitment, we advertise position, interview applicants, extend offer of employment, onboard employee, and then induct the employee. Now, it will make it easier to see if you have any gaps in your process library if the processes appear in order of which they are completed. Now, it will also make finding the processes in the library a little bit easier if they are structured this way as well. And finally, ask yourself if you do each process all the same way. This is important because when the process is interviewed later down the track, you'll need to know if there are any variances in the process based on location, product type, season, and other categories. So in summary, make a list, check it twice, sort in chronological order, and identify any variance.